If AI is the revolution, ChatGPT is the doorway most people walk through first. It is the most popular AI assistant in the world, and for good reason. It is easy to use, incredibly versatile, and free to start. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT as your always available business assistant. The secret to getting great results from ChatGPT is not about asking more questions. It is about asking better questions. That is why I created the CRAFT prompt framework. C stands for context. Give ChatGPT the background it needs. Who are you? What do you do? Who is your audience? R stands for role. Tell ChatGPT who to be. Act as a marketing expert. Act as a customer service representative. S stands for ask. State your request clearly. What exactly do you want it to produce? F stands for format. Specify the output. An email, a list, a social post, a step-by-step guide. T stands for tone. Define the personality. Professional, friendly, casual, authoritative. When you use all 5 elements, the quality of your results jumps dramatically. Instead of generic responses, you get content that feels like it was written specifically for your business, because it was. Now let me show you how to train ChatGPT on your brand voice. This is one of the most powerful things you can do. Paste 2 or 3 examples of content you have written, emails, social posts, or blog articles. Ask ChatGPT to analyze your style, your tone, your vocabulary, and your personality. Then ask it to create a brand voice prompt that you can reuse for all future content. This ensures everything AI writes sounds like you, not like a robot. Save that brand voice prompt somewhere you can find it easily, because you will use it over and over again. Here are the practical ways to use ChatGPT in your business. Email drafting and follow-ups. Ask ChatGPT to create a week of posts in your brand voice. Customer service responses. Paste the customer message and ask ChatGPT to draft a helpful professional reply. Blog posts and articles. Ask ChatGPT to write a 5-email sequence for lead nurturing. Meeting summaries and action items. Paste your meeting notes and organize them into clear takeaways. Here is a real-world example. A real estate agent used ChatGPT for listing descriptions and neighborhood guides. What used to take a weekend of writing became